Hello folks, welcome back to Caricarz.com, and today we've been invited especially by Mitsubishi Motors Malaysia to experience their latest on-ground roadshow event, which is called the Mitsubishi Xpander Venture Event. Now, at the center of this event is of course the Mitsubishi Xpander 7-seat crossover MPV, and apparently there's a special test course they've set up for this event. Let's have a look and see what's it all about. Now, before we go and experience the test course, let's have a look and see what's on display at every Mitsubishi Xpander Venture event ground. Now, at the heart of every Mitsubishi Xpander Venture event is the special test course designed to highlight every USP of the Mitsubishi Xpander 7-seat crossover MPV, and it starts with this, the log and roll station, which simulates a typical everyday bad road that we face both in the city and outside the city. And when we drove the Xpander through this course earlier, it proved itself very well, proving to be very comfortable and easy to handle despite the rough terrain. Now, not only is the Xpander a very comfortable car, it's also a very easy car to drive, and it's also very agile and maneuverable, as proven in the second station of the course, which is called the Agility Challenge. It is basically a basic slalom course, except that it's a bit tighter than usual, and this is where we got to experience the Xpander's ease of drivability, despite the fact that it's actually quite a long and tall car. Now, what also helped us here is the presence of a feature called 360-degree surround view camera, and with such a feature, it helped us maneuver this course quite easily. Okay, the next station, which is called the roller conveyor station, is where the Mitsubishi Xpander's standard equipped traction control system is highlighted. Now, not only is the Xpander comfortable and very agile, it's also a very safe car to be in, and one of the things that makes it safe is the addition of a traction control system, and this station allows us to experience the standard equipped traction control system in full. Now, this station lets you experience the traction control both on and off, and it lets you see how it lets this car handle low grip situations very well. Okay, next up in the Mitsubishi Xpander Venture test course is the side traverse station, which lets you experience the Mitsubishi Xpander's unrivaled ground clearance. And this is where it highlights one of the most unique aspects of the Mitsubishi Xpander, by which we mean its trait as a crossover SUV. Now, being more crossover-like, it has the ground clearance to match, as well as the short front and rear overhangs, thus allowing it to clear this side traverse course that is usually reserved for real 4x4 crossover SUVs. Now, the last station in the Mitsubishi Xpander Venture test course is something called the Devil's Slope. In fact, it features not one but two very steep slopes, which are split in between by a small water tank, and it all lets you experience the Mitsubishi Xpander's ability to climb steep hills and wade through a little bit of water as well, just like a real crossover SUV. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the Mitsubishi Xpander Venture test course, which is the central highlight of the Mitsubishi Xpander Venture. You can have a go yourself with the Mitsubishi Xpander through this test course by visiting the Mitsubishi Xpander Venture event that's happening at 3 cities starting from January until March, and they are Shah, Johor Bahru, as well as Kota Kinabalu. You can find out more details about this event by visiting our website, caricarz.com/news. Do you like this video? Hit the comments below with your thoughts. While you're at it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.
Safe, more safe.
Caricarz.